How to get acorns for free. Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get acorns for free. Acorns are a great source of food for wildlife, and they can also be used to make a variety of things, like acorn flour, acorn bread, and acorn coffee. Hook. Have you ever looked up at a tree and wondered how to get those delicious acorns down? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not as difficult as it might seem. Building out context. Acorns are the fruit of oak trees. They are typically oval-shaped and have a brown or tan color. Acorns can be found in all parts of the world, but they are most common in North America, Europe, and Asia. Main content. Step 1. Find an oak tree. The first step is to find an oak tree. Oak trees are typically large and have a thick, brown bark. They can be found in forests, parks, and even in people's backyards. Step 2. Look for acorns on the ground. Once you've found an oak tree, look for acorns on the ground. Acorns will start to fall from the tree in the fall. Step 3. Pick up the acorns. When you find some acorns, pick them up carefully. Acorns can be sharp and can cut your hands. Step 4. Clean the acorns. Once you have a bunch of acorns, you need to clean them. To clean acorns, you can rub them with a cloth or brush. You can also soak them in water for a few hours. Step 5. Dry the acorns. After you have cleaned the acorns, you need to dry them. You can dry acorns by spreading them out on a paper towel or by placing them in a dehydrator. Step 6. Store the acorns. Once the acorns are dry, you can store them in a cool, dry place. Acorns can be stored for up to a year. Step 7. Use the acorns. Now that you have a bunch of acorns, you can use them to make a variety of things. Here are a few ideas. Acorn flour, acorn bread, acorn coffee, acorn pancakes, acorn muffins, acorn cookies. Outro. And that's how you get acorns for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.